Hi friends, I'm your guardian angel and I will guide you throughout your life. Yoga is a popular practice for enhancing mental well-being and lowering stress because of its many advantages for the mind. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. The following are some ways that yoga might enhance one's mental health. 1. Stress management. Deep breathing, relaxation techniques, and gentle movements found in yoga can assist to trigger the body's relaxation response, which lowers levels of tension and anxiety. 2. Mental flexibility and awareness. Being present in the moment is emphasized in many yoga practices, which can aid with mindfulness and raise awareness of one's thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations. 3. Better concentration. Yoga frequently entails concentrating on your breath, physical sensations, or particular poses. Your concentration and capacity to remain present during your duties can both be improved by this increased focus. 4. Emotional management. Yoga instruction teaches you how to respond to your emotions consciously rather than impulsively, which can help you gain better control over them. 5. Mood enhancement. Yoga encourages endorphin release, which naturally elevates mood. An improved mood can be brought on by consistent practice. 6. Anxiety management. Yoga's focus on relaxation and controlled breathing can help with anxiety symptoms including racing thoughts and restlessness. 7. Self-acceptance and compassion for oneself. Yoga promotes a non-judgmental mindset towards oneself, which fosters self-acceptance and self-compassion. You may learn to accept and be nice to your own flaws as a result. 8. A decrease in depressive symptoms. Yoga's combination of physical activity, breathing techniques, and meditation might lessen some of the symptoms of depression by encouraging calm and minimizing ruminating. 10. Increasing resilience. Yoga can help you develop mental resilience by presenting you with difficulties through various positions and the practice of mindfulness, enabling you to better handle life's ups and downs. 10. Get more rest. Regular yoga practice can improve sleep quality by calming the mind, lowering stress levels, and encouraging relaxation before bed. You can experiment with several types of yoga, such as hatha, vinyasa, yin, and restorative yoga, to reap these mental advantages. It's critical to choose a look that complements your tastes and requirements. Additionally, you can maximize the mental advantages of your yoga practice by learning the right alignment and techniques from a trained instructor or by watching instructional DVDs. Keep in mind that consistency is essential, and that a daily yoga practice will probably cause your mental health to improve with time. Like, share, subscribe, comment.